Hello everyone, today I'll not teach you what to do but how to do so that you don't need to ask font names from anyone. I'll also show you how to import fonts into Inshot plus how to get Capcut fonts in Inshot. First we will learn to get unique fonts for free. Search Google Fonts on Google. Click on filters. From here you can apply filters as per your mood and explore the fonts. See on the screen I applied one filter and these designer fonts are coming. Now I applied playful filter so round fonts are coming. This is the luckiest guy font which is widely used in roast and funny videos to download. Click on get font and you will get a zip file format. I'll tell you what to do with that later. Now let's see Capcut fonts. Websites like the font have all fonts but sometimes they don't come when you search any font name. I searched Cunia, a famous Capcut font used in aesthetic edits a lot but it didn't came. So when we will search Cunia on Google, you will get a direct link of font. As Capcut has so many fonts, just look at its name in the app and search directly. Now download this and go to the file manager or file explorer in your device. Turn on subtitles, okay? So you will see it on the home page on top, or you can search the name of the font as well in your file manager. Click on the zip file, you will get so many text files also, but zip file and then extract it. Once you extract it, it will not open in your device. You have to go to any editing app. Guys, like the video if it's helpful. If you got to learn something, it will motivate me a lot. And then click on this. Simply click on the file you have just extracted and your font is successfully imported in Inshot. If you guys want to learn how to make aesthetic edits on Inshot, if I'll get 50+ comments about this, I'll make it soon. So comment yes and make sure you are subscribing so that you get notifications of such good videos. Take care.